Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Leominster, Border City. Today we're taking this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford Bronco Outer Banks. The exterior color is gray, and under the hood is a 2.7-liter engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and off to the side, we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires, as well as color match handles and mirror caps. This 2021 Bronco comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power-lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with the first hidden systems and our spare tire. At the interior, we have driver-friendly feature power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings with door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black and brown leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column for automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel, our cruise control option to the left, and our medium entry option to the right, which is above being a rearview mirror, all with our cabin lighting. As you can see, this 21 Bronco has 15,571 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, you'll see options available such as audio, photo integration, navigation, application, settings, and features, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating of entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford Broncos Outer Banks, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.